Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Friday, November 18, 2022. The Ministry of Health and Wellness has begun the process of developing estimates for the renovation and upgrading of 9 operating theatres in 4 hospitals. The work is part of the ministry's Code Care project, designed to help clear the backlog of elective surgeries in the public health sector. Portfolio Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton gave the update during a statement to the House of Representatives this week. He says the renovation of the operating theatres will account for the majority of the $950 million allocated to Code Care.
These upgrades will enable the local surgery staff to do more and to enhance the throughput of surgeries within hospitals. And the ministry will utilize emergency procedures where possible to effect the works that are urgently required on these facilities.
The Ocho Rios Health Center will be upgraded at a cost of approximately $200 million to provide improved services to a population of over 60,000. Health and Wellness Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton made the announcement while touring the facility recently. He says the work should start early in the new year and additional services will be provided, including minor operation and dental care.
We have the plan. The designs, the architectural work. This is an artistic impression, but we have the actual designs. They are being finalized. Once that is finished, it is about going to market for procurement and of the contractor. And once that is secured, then we can start to break ground.
The work is being done under the Inter-American Development Bank and Government of Jamaica Health Resilience Capacity Program. Minister with responsibility for works, Everald Warmington, has announced that breakaways and defective bridges in the southwestern St. Ann constituency will be addressed immediately. He made the disclosure during a tour of the constituency with the Member of Parliament and representatives from the National Works Agency.
And there are whole other breakaways that we have here. We have Wild Cane, Bar Bridge, White Sand, Cascade Breakaway, John Reed Breakaway, Cufferage, Union Town, Touchwalk Bridge, Clarksonville, and all of these. So those we are going to address right away. Because unless you address these problems, we break into a bigger situation.
Minister Warmington has committed to approving the funds for dealing with the Cascade Breakaway and Mount Moriah to Battersea Road.
Cascade, there's that was scoped for $53 million. That funds I will approve. You have the Mount Moriah to Bethesda for Battersea. That's for $167 million. Yes. We have asked for it to be done in 2 phases. So they are now, the team in St. Ann is now scoping the thing for phase 1 and phase 2.
Jamaica's tourism brand is being strengthened as U.S. carrier Frontier Airlines is set to display an image of the island's national bird on the tail fin of one of its aircraft beginning next year. The announcement was made at a ceremony at Sandals Montego Bay last week, where the design was unveiled in honor of late hotelier and businessman Gordon Butch Stewart. Chief Executive Officer of Frontier Airlines, Barry Biffle, says the design is to honor their relationship with Jamaica.
We're working hard to become the hometown airline of Jamaica. It's making it easier for tourists to come here, making it much more affordable to come to Jamaica, as well as live in Jamaica, and more easy and more affordable to get to the U.S.
JTB's Deputy Director of Tourism for the Americas, Donnie Dawson, welcomed the initiative.
And we're thrilled, Barry, that your Frontier is putting our national bird, it's an honor, on your tail. The hummingbird, or what we call our doctor bird. But Frontier Airlines, with 9 gateways into Jamaica, is phenomenal. Our recovery post-COVID is going very well, and Frontier is a huge part of that.
Frontier also plans to expand its service to Jamaica with more flights from new routes and a non-stop service. And finally, Education Minister Favour Williams is urging parents to read with their children outside of the classroom to support their brain development. She made the appeal at a prize-giving ceremony at Portsmouth Primary School yesterday. Students at the institution were being honored for their academic performance and achievements.
I know it has not been easy, given your many other responsibilities. However, helping your child or your children to focus and take their schoolwork seriously should never be put on the back burner.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.